1. 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D. Price: $27,000. Located in Picayune, Mississippi. This 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe is a highly modified classic that blends vintage muscle styling with modern high-performance engineering. Finished in green with a matching green interior, this clean title vehicle shows only 1,000 miles and presents as a serious street and strip machine built with attention to detail. Under the hood sits a Gen 4 5.3-liter engine equipped with a Texas speed camshaft, 862 cylinder heads, 660 valve springs, BTR push rods, and Morel lifters. Airflow is enhanced by a Super Victor intake and Velocity Race carburetor built to 780 specifications. An ICT billet front accessory drive system adds both durability and a clean engine bay appearance. Ignition control is handled by an MSD6014 box with step retard for nitrous, paired with an Edelbrock progressive controller. The drivetrain features a stock case power glide with 180 straight-cut planetary gears, deep pan, and trans brake, matched to a TCI 3200 converter and aluminum drive shaft. A 12-bolt rear with 4.11 gears, mini spool, Moser axles, and aerospace brakes ensures strength and stopping power. Fuel delivery comes from a 20-gallon cell with MagnaFuel pump and dedicated nitrous system. The suspension combines QA1 components, TRZ hardware, Moroso springs, and a rear sway bar for controlled launches. This Skylark is a refined and competitive classic performance build. 2. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura. Price: $21,000. Located in Tallahassee, Florida. This 1964 Ford Falcon Futura Pro Street build is a compact classic transformed into a powerful and entertaining performance machine. Finished in burgundy with a black interior, this gasoline-powered vehicle shows 600 miles and carries a clear title, reflecting its recent build status and careful ownership. Power comes from a nicely built 351 Windsor engine featuring a hydraulic roller camshaft and blueprint aluminum cylinder heads. A Holley 750 carburetor ensures strong fuel delivery and throttle response, giving the car a lively and aggressive character. The engine is paired with a C4 automatic transmission built by Nationwide and supported by a 2,400 stall converter. A Kilduff shifter provides firm and confident gear changes. Out back, the Falcon runs a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 Posey gears currently installed, while a 3.73 Posey setup is also available for buyers who prefer different gearing. This flexibility allows the car to be tuned for either street cruising or more aggressive acceleration. Described as a fun car to drive, this Falcon combines lightweight construction with serious V8 power. With additional parts included for the right deal and a clear title in hand, this 1964 Falcon represents a well-built pro street classic ready for its next enthusiast owner. 3. 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova 400. Price: $65,000. Located in Gilroy, California. This 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova 400 drag car is a professionally built race machine designed for serious quarter-mile performance. Presented in like new condition, this car represents a high-end chassis and engine combination capable of impressive elapsed times. The chassis was constructed by Sarmiento Fabrication and features an Alston front clip for enhanced rigidity and weight distribution. Power is delivered by a 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with 13-to-1 compression, AFR cylinder heads, and Jezel rockers. The transmission is a Denver case power glide equipped with a 1.76 first gear and trans brake for consistent launches. A 4-link rear suspension with Fab 9 housing supports a 4.33 gear set, spool, and 40 spline axles, providing strength and traction. The car rides on 14x32 slicks and carries an 8.50 certification cage valid for another year. It has recorded a 9.69 at 137 miles per hour with the new engine combination. This Nova 400 is a refined and competitive drag platform built with premium components and proven performance capability. 4. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Pro Street. Price: $30,000. Located in Sedalia, Missouri. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Pro Street is a bold and aggressive classic built for serious street and strip performance. Presented in good condition, this Nova features a strong drivetrain combination and purposeful Pro Street styling that gives it both visual impact and competitive capability. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch engine, delivering substantial torque and strong mid-range acceleration. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing reliable and consistent shifting. Out back, a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.73 gears ensures durability under hard launches while maintaining usable street manners. The interior is equipped with odometer tachometer gauges for accurate monitoring, along with Convo Pro wheels that enhance the car's period-correct race-inspired appearance. A roll bar is installed for added safety, and the custom-made rear seat with belts maintains functionality while supporting its performance identity. A fuel cell is also integrated into the build, reinforcing its race-ready configuration. This Nova Pro Street balances classic muscle car styling with upgraded mechanical components. Offered at a competitive price with flexibility for reasonable offers, it represents a strong opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a vintage Chevrolet platform built with performance in mind. 5. 1977 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street. Price: $12,500. Located in Parrish, Florida. This 1977 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street is a distinctive late 70s compact muscle car that stands out with its aggressive stance and rare platform. Finished in silver with a factory black interior, this vehicle shows 77,000 miles and maintains its street-driven reliability while carrying serious performance attitude. Under the hood is a 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission featuring a manual valve body. This setup delivers firm, responsive shifts and strong acceleration. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear end, a trusted component for high-performance builds. The Monza rides on massive 31 by 18.5 rear tires that give it an unmistakable Pro Street appearance, while new front tires provide balanced handling and improved road stability. Despite its aggressive configuration, the car runs well and is described as a cruiser, making it suitable for local shows, weekend drives, or street events. Rarely seen in this configuration, the Monza offers unique character compared to more common muscle platforms. With its strong drivetrain, factory interior, and bold Pro Street styling, this 1977 example presents a compelling and affordable classic performance option. 6. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $109,000. Located in Hershey, Pennsylvania. This 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod is an extreme high-performance build that transforms a legendary classic into a street-dominating machine. Finished in red with a gray interior, this Mustang shows 50,000 miles and delivers an unforgettable presence, both visually and mechanically. At the heart of this build is a freshly constructed 528 cubic inch big block Ford engine, topped with an 871 blower rising aggressively through the hood. The supercharged setup delivers immense power and unmistakable sound, making this vehicle far more than a traditional show car. It is built to perform and command attention wherever it appears. The drivetrain includes a built C4 automatic transmission designed to handle substantial torque output. Power is transferred to a Ford 9-inch rear end, a proven component for strength and durability in high-horsepower applications. The overall configuration reflects a carefully engineered Restomod designed for serious street performance. This Mustang is described as raw, loud, and unforgettable, emphasizing its aggressive personality. With documentation required before test drives, the vehicle is positioned for serious buyers only. This 1967 Mustang represents a rare opportunity to own a supercharged big block fastback built to deliver extreme performance and iconic American muscle presence. 7. 1973 Plymouth Duster. Price: $36,000. Located in Advance, North Carolina. This 1973 Plymouth Duster is a purpose-built drag car combining Mopar heritage with serious strip performance. Finished in blue with a black interior, this vehicle shows 500 miles and retains a title, offering flexibility for potential street conversion. Power comes from a 408 cubic inch Mopar small block featuring a steel crank, H-beam rods, 12-to-1 pistons, and a comp roller camshaft. Indy CNC cylinder heads and intake enhance airflow, while a 950 alcohol carburetor provides aggressive fuel delivery. The engine is paired with a power glide transmission, 5,500 stall converter, and trans brake for consistent launches. Out back, a Dana 60 rear end with strange 35 spline axles, spool, and 4.30 gears ensures durability under competition conditions. The 4-link suspension, frame connectors, mini-tub setup, and 29 by 12 slicks provide excellent traction. A full 10-point roll cage, four-wheel disc brakes, MSD ignition system, and fuel cell complete the race-ready configuration. Capable of running strong elapsed times, this duster is a serious and competitive Mopar drag platform. 8. 1965 Oldsmobile 442. Price: $39,995. Located in Wayne, New Jersey. This 1965 Oldsmobile 442 is a powerful and extensively built classic muscle car that blends original character with serious drag strip capability. Finished in turquoise with a black interior, this vehicle shows 1,000 miles and reflects careful craftsmanship and high-performance engineering throughout. Under the hood sits a freshly built 496 cubic inch engine based on a 455 platform, producing approximately 600 horsepower and 583 torque on pump gas. The engine features iron B heads, an Eagle crankshaft, CP pistons, Molnar steel rods, hydraulic camshaft, aluminum intake, and an 850 double pumper carburetor. It has seen limited nitrous use and was recently refreshed, with fewer than 10 passes on the motor. Power is delivered through a custom manual forward pattern turbo 400 transmission with aluminum drums and upgraded internal shafts. An Induction Solutions nitrous system with progressive controller supports additional performance when desired. The rear end consists of a chromoly 12-bolt housing with Moser spool, C-clip eliminators, and 4.56 gears. Equipped with a full 8.50 certified chromoly cage, four-wheel disc brakes, QA1 suspension components, and full interior, this 442 balances race readiness with classic presentation. It is a serious and well-engineered Oldsmobile muscle machine. 9. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $28,500. Located in Eureka, Illinois. This 1965 Ford Mustang Pro Street Coupe is a freshly completed custom build designed for both aggressive street presence and serious performance potential. Finished in orange, this Mustang features extensive structural upgrades and new sheet metal throughout, creating a solid foundation for its high-performance configuration. Power comes from a 289 cubic inch engine board 30 over and topped with a dual quad intake system. The engine is paired with a C4 automatic transmission and an 8.8 Ford Posey rear end equipped with 4.10 gears. A 4-link coil-over suspension system enhances traction, while disc brakes at all corners improve stopping power. The chassis includes a complete 2x3 steel rectangular frame and Mustang 2-style front crossmember with manual rack steering. Numerous new body components have been installed, including fenders, door shells, rockers, quarters, trunk lid, and rear panel. The engine has been fired for break-in, but the vehicle has not yet undergone road testing. With clear documentation and the option to purchase as a roller, this Mustang represents a comprehensive pro street build ready for final tuning and enjoyment.